We will be having a test on Friday over parallel and perpendicular lines. Also, the transversal stuff from last week and I think the week before. So you did grab a review on the way in. When you look through it, it's stuff we've been doing. You have the review today, but I'll give you time to finish it up tomorrow, and we're going to test on Friday, okay? I'll give you the answers in the review video tomorrow, but today I just want you to try it on your own. If you finished Monday's assignment. So Monday's assignment, that's your priority. Missing work is fine, but the review you want to get done. You're turning that in on Friday before the test. You should do that. You should definitely review for every test you take, just saying. I'm giving you an extra day to make sure it's done, okay? Every day from here to the end of the year. So, number one, we're solving for y. And since we're solving for y, we need to move over this x. How do I move that x? What do I do? The opposite of that minus 5x, yes, it's plus 5x, both sides. Opposites cancel. What do I bring down on the left side? Negative 2y, okay? On the right side, 25 plus 5x, it's not 30, it's not 30x, they don't combine. The mx needs to go in front of the b. Y'all remember this from last 2 days? So 5x, good, 5x plus 25. Last step, negative 2 and y, that's a coefficient, so what do I got to do? Okay, I'm going to divide to get rid of that negative 2 in front of y. What am I dividing by? The exact same number, right? Negative 2. All right, so we have y equals. Now 5 over negative 2 gives me a negative fraction, negative 5 over 2x. It doesn't reduce. But 25 over negative 2, if it's dividing by a negative, okay, if there's only one negative sign, that's going to make it a negative number. And 25 over 2, if you don't know what 25 divided by 2 is, okay, you can type it in your calculator with control divide. It'll give you the decimal 12.5, okay? Now, this is the original equation we have right here, okay? We need to get a parallel and a perpendicular equation from it. Now, when we have y equals mx plus b, for parallel, the y-intercept. Parallel has the same slope, so you rewrite it just like this, and you change this last number to whatever. Okay? So let's write that down. Y equals negative 5 over 2 x, and instead of negative or minus 12.5, what should I write? Throw out a number. Plus what? Doesn't matter. You could put nothing if you wanted to. Plus 0 is a different y-intercept. All right, I wrote 5. But doesn't matter. Just some other number. Plus 7 is fine. So again, this b changes for parallel, not the slope. Okay, that was the front side of your assignment from Monday that you should have been working on and will finish today, right? Now, perpendicular, when I take that slope, negative 5 over 2, to get a perpendicular slope, I have to change two things. What two things are going to change about that? Okay, negative turns into positive, and then 5 over 2 does what? Flips over, becomes 2 over 5. If it's positive, you don't have to put a plus sign. You can just rewrite it as a normal number, which is implied positive. So negative 5 over 2 is now positive 2 over 5. Okay, that's great. That's my new m, right? And b can stay the same. You could change it. You can leave it the same. But the main thing you want to change is that m. Two changes. Change the sign, flip the fraction. So what's my new equation? Y equals what? 2/5 x, and then minus 12.5 is fine. You could put plus 7, that doesn't matter. The main thing is the slope, okay? So again, that's review stuff we've been doing. Otherwise, work on your review or mission work. You need to be working on something. Talk to you Friday, all right?